Hello, it's Matt at 5280 Armory. We just got in one of the new CZ Shadow 2 handguns. It's a second rendition of the already very popular Shadow competition pistol. So let's take a look. So what's new with the Shadow 2? For starters, we have a deeper undercut on the trigger guard. And important for guys like me, we also have the matching high beaver tail to keep me from getting hammer whipped, and that never-ending quest to get the higher grip to low bore access ratio. They've also contoured the slide and added more weight to the dust cover to combat that muzzle flip. The Shadow 2 has an enormous reversible mag release that has 3 different settings for your comfort. It also has a height-only adjustable rear and a fiber optic front sight. And of course it has a cold hammer forged barrel. The Shadow 2 has a curved single-action, double-action trigger. The double action was smooth and consistent all the way through with no stacking that I could feel. The single action has about a 1/4 inch of take-up and broke at about just under 4.5 pounds and resets at about 1/4 inch. So that should make for a pretty fast handgun. This competition pistol has a stainless steel guide rod and an ambidextrous safety. It also comes with an extension that you can swap out if you'd like. It comes in a couple of different finishes. This one's urban gray, the other two are black with blue or black grips that are made of thin aluminum that keeps the grip slender for hand shapes of all sizes. The front and back strap are checkered, and it's time to go shoot this thing, so let's go hit the range and have a little fun. Okay folks, there you go, the CZ Shadow 2 in action. No failures to feed, fire, or eject right out of the box. Would you have expected anything less? The handgun used in this video belongs to my wife Gina. After a whole lot of begging, she was nice enough to let me use it to do this video. These are going to be hard to come by, so feel free to give us a call before you come down to see if we have one in stock. 5280 Armory, Colorado's Gun Shop. We'll see you soon.